right here? Yeah, I'm just gonna sit right here. This feels right.
We were feeling restless and couldn't sleep, so we came to the McDonald's drive-thru. Free waters, fries, and a sausage biscuit, which apparently isn't made right now. So we're waiting for them to bring it out to us. Also, Lily is wearing her glasses from the 4th grade.
Hello.
Nick, where are you? Are you in bed? Nicole? We're in line for airbrush t-shirts. It's homecoming week. Go Beavers. We have a little...
Yeah.
Marcel, introduce yourself to the vlog.
Also, what's up? BBU Wrestling, baby. Let's go.
Thank you for that. We really like that school spirit. Can I flip the Oh, okay. Come here. Are you in this? This man loves Taylor Swift.
Hey guys. Welcome back to this vlog. Today we're going to be airbrushing some t-shirts. I'm really excited to see the final product, so let's get started.
Hey, we like it. It's better than Laura DIY. Okay, we will show you videos of our t-shirts getting done up next.
What do you think, Nick?
I think this is pretty cool, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good thing for Spirit Week, homecoming week. That's cool.
That is so cool.
Okay, thanks.
What do you think, Kara? Hold it up.
Always.
Love it.
I think your design was a little too complex, but that's alright. You're gonna get something really good. It's alright. I'm still very excited about
What do you think? It turned out really nice.
I'm shook. I'm so impressed. 10 out of 10 recommend this gentleman. I haven't caught his name yet, but... This is the song of my people. We are at the volleyball game.
Oh, it's a video.
Look at this score. Now I can't get it to the scoreboard. It's 0-0.
We're in between games
Summit, give it 3. Between games 2 and 3.
2 and
Look at
1 and 1.
Look at Summit's fingers. Daddy long fingers. So this is what we got going. Cassie, you have anything to say? You never do it in the video, so we do. Okay, we'll let you know if, BV wins. Okay, goodbye.
Summit, what is going on?
this is Tom. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl though. I
You might have rabies.
can't really tell quite yet, but
What do you think?
you know.
Tom, do you want to come live with us?
Oh, he's just chilling now.
Oh, he wants belly rubs.
Hey, bud. He's so nice.
I wonder if he belongs to somebody actually, because he looks like it.
He looks
Tommy, come
pampered.
on. No. You don't lay there. Come here.
Yeah, sure. You got 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Twizzlers? They're pretty big though, so I'll give you 3. There's 8? There's 8. Okay. Well, I'll give you 4 points, alright? Is that... Hey, where are you from again?
White second.
All right, white second. 4 points for that. Thank you very much. Okay, put it on the table. Slap it on the table like a slap on that flex seal. Or flex tape. Flex tape.
Joe, I think you need to stop talking and just introduce this.
Yes, I'm sorry. So, if you guys know memes, I know about it. Anyways, so what's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Nicole Lange, and I'm from Briscoe.
All right, and it looks like you got some good popcorn here that you're eating. Ooh, it's what?
I'm sampling it.
Oh, nice, nice. And you said you're from what?
Briscoe.
Briscoe.
No.
I don't know. That's a lot.
How old is it?
Oh, she's fresh. I wouldn't be eating it if she wasn't.
Whoa. 5 points.
So,
I'd say 5. 5 points.
How old is that popcorn, Kara?
Since we've been here at school.
Yeah, it's like 3 weeks old.
Yes, she said Briscoe.
Briscoe.
Yeah.
All right.
Perfect.
I love you.
Yeah.
We love you too, Nick.
Thank you very much.
I'm crying.
All right. What's
What are we doing here? Homecoming festivities are about to begin. We're excited. Cassie, how do you feel? Great. Kiara, what do you think? Summit, how do you feel? Star of the show here. What do you feel, Nick?
I'm really excited about this experience. I want to thank Destiny for allowing me to be on her team. Vote for her, even though it's too late. By the end of the night, we're going to have our queen and king crowned. So stay tuned. Go Beavers. Woo! Yes, ma'am.
That's why I got to show these women about this seven. That's true. Ooh, spring, fresh from place. I see like a picture. She need to shout out my brother. Hey, dumbest body in the crib. Shh. Don't tell me what it is. What all do you want from me? AR-10-223. Around with me, you see I'm hot on 5 degrees. Heard he called about. Now left foot, right foot, now left foot, right foot, now left foot, right foot, now left foot.
Cat Sub Radio Band.
All
That's
right,
us.
you'll be on our YouTube.
I've never been on a YouTube before.
Tara, what are we doing right now?
Getting free shoes. It's kind of raining.
Okay, this is the name of the TC Boutique sign. We are in line right now to go get some free shoes. It's a little crazy. There's a lot of people, but I think we might actually get a pair.
Sorry, I accidentally got you in our vlog. What do you want to say to the vlog?
Hello.
Hi, Cody. Now look at the line of kindergartners also wanting to ride the horse.